Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and we are going to continue chapter number 2. So, in previous classes, we have discussed in detail about these four formulas. Selling price is equal to CP plus profit, selling price is equal to CP minus loss, then cost price is equal to SP minus profit, and cost price is equal to SP plus loss. These four formulas already we have studied. On the basis of these four formulas, few questions also we have done of the exercise, and now today we'll do another questions. Okay, so exercise 3, question number 1 we have discussed. Two questions already we have discussed, A, B and C, D I told you to do on your own. Now today we'll discuss question number 2 and 3. Okay, so some question of question 2 and 3 I'll do for you, then few questions I'll give you to do homework. Already I've given you homework, but for those who could not do or could not understand, for them I am doing once again. Okay, so question number 2, what is given? Find the selling price. Selling price you have to find. Look at here, cost price is given and profit is given, and you have to find selling price. Okay, cost price is given, profit is given, and you have to find selling price. Okay, so what was the formula for selling price? Tell me, what is the formula for finding selling price? Two formulas are there for finding selling price. One is selling price is equal to cost price and plus profit. Do you remember or not? Cost price plus profit. Another formula for finding selling price, cost price minus loss. Okay, now look at here. In question number A, profit is given and cost price is given, and you have to find selling price. So which formula we will use? In this formula we have to find selling price, and cost price is given and profit is given. So we'll use this formula only, because if there will be loss will be given to you, then we'll use this formula to find selling price. But here profit is given, so we'll use the first formula. Okay, so question number 2A, what is given? Cost price is given. Cost price is given. How much it is given? Cost price is given 85.00. 85.00. It means 85 only. Okay, after decimal no meaning of 0. So cost price is given 85 rupees. Then what is given? Selling price is given. Selling price is not given, so we have to find selling price. Okay, now what is given? Profit is given. Profit is given. How much it is given? Profit is given 15.50. now you have to find selling price. So selling price, what formula we know? Selling price is equal to CP plus profit. Okay, one more formula is there, CP minus loss, but here loss is not given, here profit is given, so we'll use this formula, CP plus profit. Okay, now how much CP is given? CP is given 85.00 plus, we have to add it, plus profit. Profit is given how much? 15.50. 15.50. now we'll add it, because here it is addition, so we are adding. So 00 will get 0 only, 05 will get 5 only, and here decimal is there, we'll put here decimal. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 will be there, and 1 will be carried, 1 carried. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 and plus 1 carried 10. So how much will get? 100.50. Okay. So selling price, how much we are getting? 100.50 rupees. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Now come to another question. Question A just now we have done. Now come to question number C. Look at here. Cost price is given and profit is not given. Here loss is given. In first question, cost price and profit was given. So what formula we was using? CP plus profit is equal to SP. Now here cost price is given and loss is given. So here what formula we'll use? Selling price is equal to CP minus loss. Okay, CP minus loss. Why? Because in the question loss is given and CP is given. So we'll use this formula. In the previous question CP was given and profit was given. So we were using the first formula. Okay. Now, okay, so question number 2C. What is given? CP is given. That is your cost price. Cost price is given how much? 23,695 rupees. Okay, this much given. And loss is given. Loss is given. Loss is given how much? How much loss is given? 1,550 rupees. This much loss is given. Now they are asking to find selling price. So selling price, two formula we know. One is CP plus profit and another one is CP minus loss. Here loss is given, so we'll use the second formula, CP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Now CP is given how much? CP is given 23,695. So we'll write here in place of CP we'll write 23,695 minus loss. Loss is given how much? 1,550. So we'll write here 1,550. Now subtraction from class 1 only you are doing, so you can subtract it, isn't it? So after subtracting, how much you'll get? Subtraction all of you know, you'll do on your own. So we'll get after subtracting 22,145. Subtraction part already you can do on your own. So overall this is answer. So this is your selling price. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you whatever we have discussed today. And question number A and C I have done for you. So question A and C I have done for you. I hope you'll able to do. I'm quite sure you'll able to do question number B and D. Okay. So today this much only I am telling you to do. Do question number B and D. Then tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll discuss question number 3. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.